Survival shovel multi-tools are versatile and compact tools designed for various outdoor needs. These tools combine multiple functions such as shoveling, chopping, sawing, and even acting as a compass or bottle opener. Featuring durable materials and foldable designs for portability, they serve as essential gear for campers, hikers, or survivalists. With their multifunctionality and space-saving designs, survival shovels offer convenience and reliability in diverse outdoor situations. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 8. Schrade Telescoping Folding Shovel. Stands as a dependable and adaptable tool tailored for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Crafted from rugged and durable materials, this folding shovel features a telescoping handle that extends for various applications such as digging, chopping, sawing, and prying. Its versatile design and ergonomic handle provide comfort and ease of use during tasks. With a compact and foldable construction, it conveniently fits into backpacks or vehicle storage compartments, making it an ideal companion for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. The Schrade shovel's durability, portability, and multifunctional capabilities make it a practical and reliable tool for individuals seeking versatility and utility in outdoor settings. Number 7. Zune lotoo Camping Multitool Smilodon. Stands out as an incredibly versatile and robust tool, designed to meet the demands of outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Crafted from premium materials like high carbon steel and aviation-grade aluminum alloy, this multi-tool integrates 23 essential functions in one compact unit, including a shovel, axe, saw, hammer, and more. Its innovative design allows for easy disassembly and reconfiguration into various tools for different tasks, making it an indispensable asset for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. The Smilodon's ergonomic design and adjustable handle provide comfort and functionality, ensuring its reliability and adaptability in diverse outdoor environments where versatility and durability are paramount. Number 6. Oakvue Zero Shovel is a compact and versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Crafted from high-quality materials like durable carbon steel and finished with a corrosion-resistant coating, this folding shovel offers reliability in various outdoor scenarios. Its trifold design allows for easy storage and portability, making it suitable for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. Equipped with a sharpened edge for digging, sawing teeth, and a pick feature, it serves multiple functions beyond standard digging, ensuring utility for various tasks. The Oakvue tool shovel's ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip and allows for easy assembly, making it an essential and practical tool for outdoor adventurers seeking compactness and versatility in their gear. Number 5. Tyger Shovel Military Grade 16-in-1 Compact Tool Kit. Stands as a versatile and durable companion for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Crafted from high-grade carbon steel and aviation-grade aluminum, this multifunctional tool incorporates 16 essential functions into a portable and compact design. It functions as a shovel, axe, hoe, saw, hammer, and more, providing versatility for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. Its unique foldable and adjustable design allows for easy assembly and transformation into various tools suitable for different tasks. With its ergonomic handle and durable construction, the Tyger shovel offers reliability and adaptability, catering to individuals seeking a comprehensive and robust tool for diverse outdoor activities. Number 4. Zune lotoo Thorn Portable Folding Tactical Multifunction Camping Shovel. Embodies durability and versatility for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel and aircraft-grade aluminum, this multifunctional tool features a collapsible and adjustable design, offering over 18 versatile functions. Serving as a shovel, saw, pickaxe, hammer, and more, it adapts seamlessly to various outdoor tasks, from camping to emergency situations. Its innovative foldable construction ensures easy portability and convenient storage in backpacks or vehicle compartments. With a comfortable and ergonomic handle, the Zune lotoo Thorn provides reliability and adaptability, making it an essential and robust tool for individuals seeking comprehensive functionality in their outdoor gear. Number 3. Oakvue Survival Shovel Multitool. embodies functionality and versatility, serving as an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel and aviation-grade aluminum alloy, this multi-tool integrates over 20 essential functions in a compact and portable design. Its collapsible and adjustable handle facilitates easy assembly and transforms into various tools, including a shovel, saw, axe, hammer, and more. This comprehensive tool is ideal for camping, hiking, or emergency situations, providing a reliable solution for diverse outdoor tasks. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the included carrying case enhances portability, making the Oakvue Survival Shovel Multi-Tool an indispensable asset for individuals seeking adaptability and durability in their outdoor gear. Number 2. Redcamp Military Folding Camping Shovel stands as a durable and versatile tool designed for outdoor adventures and emergency situations. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel and aviation-grade aluminum alloy, this folding shovel showcases reliability and strength while remaining lightweight and portable. Its multifunctional design allows it to serve as a shovel, pickaxe, saw, and more, catering to various camping or survival needs. With an adjustable handle and foldable construction, it easily fits into a compact carrying case, ensuring convenience during transportation or storage. Whether used for digging, chopping, or as an emergency tool, the Redcamp Military Folding Camping Shovel offers a combination of durability and versatility, making it an essential addition to outdoor gear for individuals seeking reliable performance in challenging environments. Number 1. Banores Folding Shovel epitomizes durability and versatility for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Crafted from high-carbon steel and aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, this folding shovel offers a combination of strength and portability. Its multifunctional design incorporates various tools such as a shovel, hoe, saw, hammer, and more, catering to diverse outdoor tasks. The collapsible handle and foldable construction allow for convenient storage in the included carrying pouch, making it an ideal companion for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. With an ergonomic handle for comfortable use and a robust build capable of withstanding rigorous use, the Banores folding shovel ensures reliability and adaptability, providing an essential tool for individuals seeking practicality and resilience in their outdoor equipment.